Oh, sorry.
I missed you. Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
What are we doing here? Are we going on a holiday? Where are we going? Say na.
Aditi, I have to go.
You got another show?
Okay, Aditi, listen to me. We've been seeing each other for 6 years now.
Yeah.
When we started off together, you really wanted to become this big fashion model and I wanted to make it big as a musician, right?
Yeah.
What happened to you? You lost your track. You're still an assistant stylist. I've got ambitions, dreams. I need to go after them. We should break up. I know this is the best for both of us. I have to move on. Right?
You can keep calling him. He might even answer. Talk to you. But is that really what you want? You spend far too much time chasing him. Whereas what you should be chasing is your dream. I'm here to make that happen.
I see you standing,
Always by your side.
watching over me.
Come, let's find your inner beauty.
I see you standing,
It's time to work.
watching over me.
Good morning.
So let's just run away, please don't walk away. I just can't wait no more. So let's just run away, please don't walk away. I'm still holding on.
दिल ने चुना है राहों में नजारों में तुम्हें मैं चाहता हूँ 100 दफा हजारों में तुम्हें तुझको खुदा ने ऐसे तराशा जैसे गुलों से है शाखें तू हंस पड़े तो चलती हवाएं तेरी नमी से बरसाते मैं चांद से तेरी हाँ तेरी तारीफें करता हूँ बस तेरी जिसकी बदौलत है दुनिया मेरी तुम होना वो तुम होना
I see you standing, watching
We're almost
over
there.
me.
Come.
तुम होना
Okay, let's find the real beauty. Welcome to my studio. First, let's get rid of these under eyes. Now the jawline. Let's make it more visible. Let's get rid of the straggly hair. And now the background. And finally, a spotlight for our star. Perfect.
I've never looked this beautiful.
We just found your inner beauty. Now send this picture to the agency.
No. What if I'm not ready?
Come on, Aditi, you spend too much time pretending to be somebody you're not, just because you're scared. If you could only see through my eyes how perfect you are. Trust me, it's not your dream. It's your destiny. Send it. Trust me.
I sent it. I sent it.
Aren't you feeling great?
I sent it.
I see you standing, watching
Isn't this what you always wanted?
I sent it. I sent it. I sent it. I sent it.
You're gonna be right there on top.
Aditi! 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 I've come back. I've come back for you.
I'm still holding on.
By the way, I've been seeing all your pictures on Instagram. You've created quite a stir, huh? And that picture of yours in that red dress. You look so beautiful in it. And listen, Aditi, I need your trainer's number, huh? He's done wonders on you. You just look perfect. Look, tomorrow is a really big day for me. I'm playing at Nosh, and you have to be there. You must come there.
I have to work tomorrow. I'm sorry.
No. I just need to have you by my side. Aditi, there's no looking back. Trust me. I'll be there for you, and I know you'll be there for me. I'm so excited, yaar. Hey, Joe! Hey, listen, coming! Oh.
अब तेरे हाथों से लिपटी है तकदीरें ये मेरी, हाँ मेरी। दिल मेरा वो घर है जिस पे तस्वीरें अब तेरी, हाँ तेरी। बस मोहब्बत से एक बार हक से कह दो तो हम मर जाए हैं। तुम जरूरत से भी हो जरूरी, कैसे जुदा रह पाए।
You spend far too much time chasing it, whereas what you should be chasing is your dream. In fact, it's not your dream, it's your destiny.
Where were you? Why didn't you stop me? From going back to him, from going to the show? You knew he would do this.
But listen,
I kept giving up on my dreams so he could follow me.
listen Aditi, the decision is always yours to make. I can only show you the door, or maybe open it for you also. But you have to walk through it. Don't worry, I will always be by your side.
डर कैसा जब मैं हूँ, क्यों रहते हो खोए से कहो, हाँ कहो। ये सच है जो भी है, खुद हाथों से छू कर देख लो, देख लो। मुझ पे भरोसा कर लो जरा सा, और कुछ नहीं हम चाहें। तेरे लिए जो लम्हा रुका है, साथ में ले जाए। दो ही कदम पे है मंजिलें, फिर और हमको क्या चाहिए, तेरे लिए मैं हूँ मेरे लिए। तुम हो ना, तुम हो ना, तुम हो ना वो, तुम हो ना।
I see you standing, watching over me.
तुम हो ना, तुम हो ना वो,
Aditi, I'm here.
You standing, watching over me.
Hey, may I ask you a few questions?
Of course.
So you don't have your special one by your side this Valentine's Day?
Actually, my phone is. I'm sorry. Excuse me, please.
Aditi!
Hey, stop!
Aditi!
My phone! My phone!
Watching over me. Watching over me.
Hey, your phone. You dropped it at the event.
I see you standing, watching over me.
तुम हो ना, तुम हो ना वो,
I see you standing, watching over me.
तुम हो ना, तुम हो ना वो।
You're coming? Come.
Sorry, I should have been more careful. After all, your phone should be on. Always.
Hi, I'm Siddharth, by the way.
Aditi.